Hello, it's me again, and as my Land Rover's stuck in France still, it's given me time to change the oil in my wife's Mokka. I needed to change the oil because the code 82 was being displayed on the dash. So I've changed the oil. I don't need to show you how to do that, but what I thought I might show is how I reset the error code, or the code 82. Prior to changing the oil, this is the warning that we had on the display. The car with the spanner in it at the top left, and at the bottom code 82. The code 82 indicates that the vehicle needs an oil change. So now that I've changed the oil, I'm just going to demonstrate how I reset the code. The first thing I do is insert the ignition key and turn it until all the symbols on the dash are illuminated. Using the buttons on the left hand stalk, I press the menu button and then I scroll through the menu until I get to the oil can symbol. Once I've scrolled to the oil can position, I press the button on the end of the stalk and wait for the audible beep. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. And that's it. Code 82 gone. Well, until the car needs another oil change, that is. Well, I hope this has been helpful to somebody, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching, and if you can, please like and subscribe.